To combat the rise of AI-generated content on Reddit, the social media platform is using its own AI tools. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Reddit said its automated systems has been blocking 23 million spam views a day, catching roughly 25,000 posts and comments per day, and revoking close to 2 million inauthentic votes a day. Using its own AI, Reddit said users are seeing 20% less spam exposure from January to March 2026 as compared to the previous 3 months. According to Reddit, it's using large language models to look for suspicious activity the moment an account is created, including highly subtle, coordinated patterns of fake behavior and artificial hype. On top of that, the site previously added another layer of protection that forces fishy automated accounts to verify their humanity. Beyond AI slop, Reddit's new measures are also meant to strengthen its enforcement actions, specifically with hate and violence in all English text content on the platform, with coverage coming to more languages soon. The time between detection to enforcement is less than 5 seconds, which has also reduced user exposure to harmful content by more than 40%. It's a good step for Reddit, as it has a contentious history with AI. Last year, researchers from the University of Zurich were caught conducting experiments with AI-generated comments. And to address rampant AI scraping, Reddit also obtained a new licensing protocol which will provide it with compensation if AI companies wanted to web crawl its website. Despite Reddit's past with AI, it still embraced the use of the technology on its own terms. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.